Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the game launcher alerts to allow sound and vibration or deliver quietly on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here tap on the game launcher. Next, in the game launcher, make sure you are back at the home screen of the game launcher, and then tap on the more button. Then in here tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on notification, and go to the alerts section and tap on deliver quietly or allow sound and vibration. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to the game launcher home screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.